Hi, it's Sunday and I'm back. And as you can see, I'm wearing this beautiful yellow dress and I've done this simple makeup with it. But I've kept the lipstick as promised. I will always do a tutorial, mini tutorial just before my Sunday GTV shoot, Beauty Talk. So, আজকের যে lookটা, as you can see, I've kept it very simple. I always keep it simple. I love simple looks. But আজকে I was thinking, since I'm wearing this beautiful bright color, I'm gonna go with something pinkish lipstick. Usually I use, when it comes to pink, I usually use the punch color for every day, but I was thinking today I'm gonna use like Pretty Precious or Catch Me If You Can. So let's see how it turns out. So first I'm gonna start off with lip lining, and with that I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown palette. And so lip liner to done হয়ে গেল. So now I'm gonna use this color. It's called Pretty Precious. This color is very nice, especially with our skin tone. It goes perfectly. So let's see. So with this color আমি একটু add করব Catch Me If You Can. This is a very bright color. So usually যখন দেখা যায় যে I'm doing very light looks, I usually would love to prefer and use this color actually. So and that's how it's done. I kind of like it. Usually I don't use this bright color, but I do love it. I'm loving the fact that yellow সাথে pink goes so well. So this is my Sunday look. This is my GTV look for Beauty Talk. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you next week. Bye.